Hello everyone and good evening. Good evening everyone.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening,
Right.
sir.
Good evening everyone. Cool. Why we are
Good
here?
evening.
Why we are here? Saturday evening, what we are doing here? What is the agenda? Can anyone explain me, please? Guys, go ahead. Please let me know. What is the agenda? Why we are here? Go ahead, Vishwa. If you don't know, no worries. I'm here. Okay. We are going to learn the Python development activities, Python coding activities, programming activities, scripting activities, everything without any knowledge with the help of AI. Are you agree? Yes or no? If I will tell you we don't know any coding, but can we do or can we write the code? Yes, that is possible because we are in 2024. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Can I assume we don't know the coding at this point? If we don't know the coding, we can write the code. Can you give me the answer into the chat box?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Answer should be yes or no. Please write into the chat box.
Yes, sir.
I haven't get much answers into the chat. I want more answers. I want more answers. Yep. Some students are telling, yes, it is possible. And yes, we will make it possible in the one today or in the tomorrow session itself. Okay. If you will give me your next 3 hours or 4 hours, you will able to say this point that yes, we can write the code of the Python with the help of AI. That is the agenda for the next cool. Now, guys, can you keep on your mute, please? Yeah. Now, I want you to be stand out because there are so many languages are available into the market. C, C++, Java, C Sharp, PHP, Go, and so many different languages. Do you want to come out or you want to stand out from different languages? Yes or no? Guys, answer. I want interaction from you guys. Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone. Not 1 or 2%. Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Haha, cool. Okay. Yes, guys. If you want to stand out from the different languages, that is possible with the help of Python, with the help of AI, and we will use this knowledge or entire knowledge into some skill. Okay. Which skill I am coming into the some couple of seconds. Okay. Is anyone here who want to become a developer in this group? Anyone in this group is pure developer? No, no one. Then we are good. Okay, someone is Baswa is telling pure developer. Baswa, you are able to write the code without Google, without internet. Good. I will talk with Baswa. I will give an opportunity to Baswa to write the code, but only apart from Baswa, anyone else? No, right?
I'm an R developer actually.
R
R and C.
developer. Good.
Yeah.
That's also fine. Good. You can do the codings. You can
Yeah.
able to write the code.
Yeah.
Guys, good. We have a two developers with us. We will take the help from them as well. Okay. Cool. Now let's park this for next 2-3 minutes. Okay. Why we are learning this thing, I'm going to come into that part. But if you will see here, there are some jobs, into the market which are low salary, without less growth, lot of manual works, and anyone can replace anybody. Are you agree? There are so many jobs available into the market. Do you feel like that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So many people are doing very hard work, lot of manual work they are doing 24 by 7. They are working into the multiple shift, night shift, day shift, and lot of work they are doing it. They are working into the Excel, they are working into so many things. Guys, this is very difficult job. Okay. There is another variety of option is available into the market. Some engineers are cloud and DevOps engineer. You know what they are doing it? They are getting very high salary. They are getting very high growth. They have lot of automation. Now, if this keyword came into the automation, means if people are doing the automation, how the automation is happening? How the automation is happening? How the coding is happening? This is happening with the help of Python, with the help of AI. Guys, getting my point?
Yes,
Manual
sir.
works, lot of manual activities can be get automated. How? With the help of programming script, with the help of scripting, with the help of some language, these automations are getting created. Means what I want to say that you know the Python, you know writing the Python. With the help of this, you will make the automations. You will include into any of your profile, whatever is your profile. Okay. If you are a support engineer, test engineer, if you will implement or add this Python in your resume, your package will be more. Agree? Yes or no? That's why we all are sitting here. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Now, guys, do you think or are you worried that you can write the code or writing a code is a big skills at this point?
No, sir.
No? Then we are into the same phase. Good. Okay. Guys, don't think that coding is a tough development activity is tough. No. But if you're worried, I'm with you. I will help you out. Can I take your next 1 hour from now?
Sure,
Remove
sure,
this
sir.
worried thing.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Yep. If I get your confirmation, let me talk some problems. First 10 minutes, let's talk some problem. Guys, is that possible? You can understand the code. You can able to read the code very easily. Guys, very difficult, not possible, right? If I will open the code in front of you, you will able to read or able to understand. Say yes or no.
No.
Yes or no.
Yes. Yes.
Sometime it can be yes, sometime it can be no. Right?
No.
Some languages are there which can be yes, because it's very simple English like, then we can able to understand. Some languages are tough which we cannot understand. Right? So this is one of the problem. Are you able to understand the programming logics? Tell me. No, right? Sometimes we are not able to understand. If we are not able to understand the programming knowledge, we may not able to write the programs. Agree? And this is the problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why this problem is happening? Because there may be chances you don't have the coding knowledge. This is the reason. If you don't have the coding knowledge, you will not able to write the code. You will not able to develop the programs. You will not able to develop the algorithms. So this is the problem. If this type of problem happen, how you will solve it? Let's assume you want to do some activity. How you will solve it? Or how you will learn the basic knowledge of programming or coding?
Helping with AI, sir.
Help with the AI. Yes, accepted answer. Ready. I'm good. What else? Anyone else? Any other suggestion? Any other answer?
Chat GPT.
GPT we can use.
ChatGPT is AI only. Yes. Okay. ChatGPT can help us. Okay. But ChatGPT will not able to think. You have to give the command to the ChatGPT, then only he will work. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to say to the ChatGPT that we have to do this, then only we are able to work. If you will not say to the ChatGPT, ChatGPT will not work. Correct? Means you have to tell that I need this program, write this logic for us, then only he will write the code to us. But you have to say this keyword. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Yes, no, please, guys. I need interaction, please.
Yes.
Cool. Guys, if these are the problems, I'm creating you into the one group. Okay. So that what will happen? Whatever you are able to think, programming logics, if you want to think, you can think in a group. We will help you out as a group. If you face any of the problem, there may be chances sometimes ChatGPT will given the code, but it is not working. Then you have to troubleshoot manually. That's why the human being is required. Yes or no? Agree?
Agree.
And we will put you into one group, a small group. We are 30 people here. We will put you into the small group so that we can able to troubleshoot each other. We will able to ask the new questions. We can design the things. Okay, I want to design this. I want to develop this program. We will go and write with the help of ChatGPT. If it's worked, well and good. We are very lucky. If it's not worked, we need a human being or we need a pure developer kind of person who can help us. Right?
Yes.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
So I can solve your this problem by creating a group for you guys and you can learn the things. Cool. Thank you. And if you are alone, definitely you will struggle a lot. You will not able to solve any of the problem. Okay. It can be job related, it can be programming related, it can be operation related, it can be motivation. Nothing will come. If you will be alone, nothing will come. Okay. I will tell one story. Okay. In my batch, if one student get placed, other 2, 3 will get placed very easily. because they will get a motivation that one student get placed. Yes or no? It happens,
Yes, sir.
right? If one person will able to do the practical, other will go and do the homework, right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I agree, sir.
Right? If out of 30 people, if one person is able to write the code, you will think that how he's writing. You will take some help from him and you will able to do it by own. Right? So that's why we are creating a small groups so that you can learn together. And why doing this thing? Can you guess it? How much number we have reached it? My making the group. Can you guess it? Any number? 100,000, 10,000, 2,000, any number?
Thousands.
1,000. Can you write into the chat box? How much is our number at this point?
Currently,
Number. I need a number, please. I need a number from everyone. Guys, I need a number. Write into the chat box, please. Write some number into the chat box. No, 100 is not a correct answer. Not at all. Guys, I need a number. Please, everyone. Please. 5,000. Okay. 38, very less. 38, so you are sitting above 5,000, above 50,000. Yep, this person is nearby. I will tell you, we are from the community. The community is Cloud DevOps sub community, and in this community, we are 58,000 members at this point who are helping each other for making the job, for helping each other to achieve the programs, to do the practicals, to do everything. If you will see here, some people are doing the practicals, some people are getting the job, some people are migrating from one profile to another, some people are receiving multiple offers. So many things are happening into this community, and I'm inviting you all to join our community. We are from the Cloud DevOps Hub, and you all are welcome to our community. The number is 58,000. And now I will add 58,530 more people. Agree? Yes, no. Arey, yes, no, please, yaar.
Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Everyone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
cool. I have 58,000 member already, and 30 more has been added by today. Cool. Thank you. Yep. And we all will help each other. Okay. Guys, how the problem will get solved? Sir, you told about the problem. Where is the solution? Solution is take as a challenge that if one person is able to do it, I can able to do it. Take a very simple step or choose the language which is very simple. Okay. And if you are not able to choose it, I choose it. Python is very simple. Okay. And I will prove in the today's class only. Python is very simple. We can able to do the coding in the Python. Okay. And start from very basic. Are you agree with my this thing, these three solutions?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone,
Yes.
everyone,
Yes, sir.
everyone, everyone.
yes.
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Yep. About us. You saw that already that we are from the community. We have a 58,000 members already, but we have a core team also. The core team is of 10 members. Okay. I will be your mentor. I'm a community founder and I will take care of everything. Any questions will come. I will be the person who will be answerable for that. We have a team of HR. We have a team of BDA people. We have a team of backend members as well. And we have 58,000 members like you. And you are also a part of our team. Welcome, everyone. Cool. Let's say yes. Guys, today you are a
Yes,
part
sir.
of one
Yes,
team
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
and we are a team. Okay, cool. Thank
Yes.
you. Out of that, I feel that this is a very new group. Some people don't know me and I like to introduce myself. I'm Vikas. I have a decade of IT years of experience, means more than 10 years or more than 15 years of experience. Okay. In that, I expanded my last 15 years in Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, and Google Cloud, as well as with lot of DevOps activities. Most of the work into the development, most of the work into the operation side, 100 plus projects, practicals I have performed. I did so many certificates which are expired in my last 10 years of duration as well. So I did 3 times Google Cloud certificate and AWS certificate as well. I'm a certified into the Kubernetes and you are 35 people here and I'm alone. I'm ready to take all your questions alone or whatever the question in your mind related to cloud and DevOps. I will be the person who is ready to give the answer. Okay, and I have 2 times into the Linux as well. I'm working into the senior as a senior cloud DevOps consultant in one of the big MNC. I'm a corporate trainer and I'm your mentor. I publish 100 of articles which are available in our website, into the group, and so many different places. You can search Cloud DevOps up into the Google, and you will get so many results. Cool.
Yes,
Plus,
sir.
plus, I have a one more person with us who is Shayak. He has a 10 years of IT experience, primarily into the development. I am a core into the cloud and DevOps. One person, Shayak, he is a code developer. I saw him. He is writing the code like this, and the applications is generating on the other side. And he will do the same activity in front of you in the today's class. Shayak, welcome. Shayak, you are here, right?
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. Very good evening.
Good evening.
Guys, do you want to see the Shayak's Linux LinkedIn profile and everything? Yes, let me show it and show it to you, everyone. Okay, this is Shayak profile. You are feel free to see whatever you want. Okay, he's here. He likes the home. He was staying into the room always. I saw him because he's a developer or coder. Coder always stay into the rooms kind of thing. Okay, and he also put the same logo
Local
or
host.
same localhost thing into his cover cup page. Okay, and he worked with the JP Morgan, he worked with the Bank of America, Oracle, and so many big MNCs as well. And yep, Shaik is also with us. Cool. Guys, we have introduced ourselves. I want you also to introduce in a very simple way how much you are a fresher or experienced so that we will get to know that what is audience available here. Okay. Can you write one line for yourself? You are a fresher or experienced, and do you heard about Python? Have you heard about this keyword Python? Okay, or what is the expectation you have from me or my group or my team? What is your expectation? Please, can I give 1 minute time to you to write this into the chat box, everyone?
Sure, sir.
Please, fast, so that I will get to know the audience. Okay, let's assume a lot of freshers are sitting or a lot of experienced people are sitting, so that I will get to know and my level will get increased accordingly. Please, please, fast. Guys, I haven't get anything into the chat box. I'm reading the chat box fast. Arun, Ayush, Baswa, Sujal Kumar. Sujal, how much experience you are? Fresher experience? Sujal is a fresher. Okay, cool, fine, no worries. Java with 8 years of experience, 9 years of experience. Good. Okay, what else? Rohan, fresher experience. Guys, fast. Rohan is a 2 year experience. Raghavendra is a 6 year of experience. Someone is a 9 years of experience. Karthik, final year student. Okay. System admin, 2 years of experience. Good. Deepak has a 8 year of experience. Good. And he want to learn DevOps and he want to upskill them. Good. Fine. Okay. Umar is a student. Fine. Anyone else? Guys, I haven't get an answer from you guys. What is your expectation from me or from us? I need an answer. Jitesh, 0 year experience, no problem, fine, it's okay. Within Python, it's okay, fine, cool. Guys, now I need an answer. What is your expectation? Within next 2 days, what you want to become? Please, fast. So that I will clarify from now itself, you have to stay with me for the next half an hour or 1 hour or not. Because I don't want to waste your 1 second also, okay? He want to write the code with the prompt. Yes, Kalyani, you are into the correct place. You have to stay into the class, this room. Want to become Python developer? Okay. Shubham, I cannot make you the Python developer in 2 days. Practically not possible. Okay. Basics of Python. Yes, that I can teach you. Good. Rahul is telling 1 year experience. It will be used as a DevOps solution. Yes, definitely, Jitesh, I will help you out with this. I will teach you the automations. Okay. Your expectation to become a developer with the new project in Python. I will give you the project. You don't have to worry. Okay. I will teach you. Integration Python and DevOps. Yes, possible. You want to get knowledgeable into the Python, right? And if you let assume you are zero into the coding, but after this class, you will able your program or your code will get generated. Is this your expectation? You have to give me your next 1 hour and we will achieve it. Is that fine? Yes, no. One person has told that he want to
Yes.
become a developer. buddy, practically it's not possible that I can make you in 2 days, but I will try my best to make you the developer also in 2 days. Is that okay? You have to use the ChatGPT in a wider way. Okay? Sudhakaran, this question answer is for you. Cool? All good?
Yes.
Someone told learn libraries. Yes, I will help you out. Okay? Thank you. I get to know, guys, you most all are welcome. You have to give your next 1 hour to me. I will give my next 1 hour to you and we will learn the things. Okay? Cool. And welcome to the Python for DevOps, Python for coding with AI into the 10 days journey. Because I cannot achieve the things into 1 day or 2 day. I need your 10 days of time and definitely you will learn whatever is your expectation. We will be beyond that. Okay. And yep, it will be a live session. It will be interactive sessions, hands-on approach. So that in the today's session, if you are not with the laptop, no need to worry. From the tomorrow session, be with the laptop so that whatever we will do, you will also able to implement in front of us. Is that okay? Can we take as a minor
Yes.
internship kind of thing or a small
Yes, sir.
10 days internship? Okay, whatever I will do, you also have to do the same thing in your laptop, in your own environment, so that all the coding, all the programs will run in your machine itself. Okay, cool. Fine. And a very minor request, guys. Okay, if you will switch on the lap camera, it will be good. Okay, join using the laptop will be very helpful. Okay, so that you can able to achieve the things. Practice with us, definitely. Okay, and listen actively. If you will listen the things actively, definitely you will able to achieve it. And yes, someone is telling you will provide the recording, everything, all the recording, PPTs, everything for you guys. Okay, thank you. Yep. Guys, this is our agenda. Okay. The agenda we have created in very simple way. 10 days. If I'm talking about 10 days, means 2 weeks. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Regular Monday to
Yes,
Friday
yes.
sessions, 10 days in 2 weeks. Okay. First week, we will set up, or in the first 2 days, we will set up all the prerequisites related to the development of the environment. Okay. Means we have to make your laptop as a developer laptop. Okay. So that introduction to Python, history of Python, features, development, download the software, Python installation, everything we will do in the first 2 days. Okay. After that, next day 3 and day 4 will come. In this day, we will discuss about the basics of Python programming. What is input, what is variable, how complex variables are there, data types are there, operators are there, so that I can say that your programming concept will be learned into this day. Then in the day 5th and 6th, we will go into the intermediate level of Python programming, means loops, conditions, and so many whatever functions are there, that all things we are going to achieve this thing. And on the day 7, we will teach you the AI. I can teach you the AI into the day 1, but then there is no learning. You don't have to learn for 5 days also. If you will learn directly AI, you don't have to do it, but understand the basics. Yes or no? Because in the interview, if you will say that Python is written in your resume, you have to give the answer. Yes or no? AI will not give any answer. Correct? Are you
Yes.
agree?
Yes, agree.
AI will give you the code. AI will not give any answer into the interview. AI can give the code, but you have to write in the interview, you have to crack by own. That's why we are spending 5-6 days first to set up yourself, and then everything we will do with the help of AI on the day 7. Okay. Now I am confident that within this 7 days, your programming skills will be good. Now the question will come, sir, if we learn the programming, if you will make the developer, what is the use? You don't want to become a developer, correct? If you want to become a developer from the college time, you become a developer. Agree? Right? You don't want to
Yeah.
become the developer, then sir, where we will use this knowledge? We will use this knowledge into our DevOps and automations. Okay. So day 8, again, the DevOps thing, we will create the complete infrastructure with your programming knowledge, whatever you will learn here, that programming knowledge we will utilize with the help of Terraform, and we will develop the infrastructure into the AWS cloud. Okay. Means DevOps skills and AWS skills and Terraform skill you will going to learn in the day 8. On the day 9, okay, wait. Before that, guys, anyone has any question with the day 1 to day 7? Anyone? Or day 1 to day 6? Anyone? If you want, you can take the screenshot of this also. We are fine. Anyone has any question? Because whatever we have written, you will get beyond that only. If all good, in the day 8, I will again teach you with the help of Terraform, with the help of programming knowledge. We will teach you the DevOps automations. Means we will create the infrastructure. We will create a EC2 machine. We will create a IAM user into the AWS cloud itself. On the day 9, again, whatever activity Terraform can do, kind of activity or automations we will do with the help of Boto 3 or Python. Means I will teach you how to write a Python code. Okay, obviously with the help of AI or with the help of copy paste only. I will teach you with the help of Boto 3 library. We will create all the resources into the AWS cloud. Around 5 practicals I will take care here. Here 3-4 practicals here. Means in this 2 days, around 5 practicals of your DevOps related activities will be taken care into this 2 days. Anyone has any question in the day 8 or day 9? No? All good?
No, sir.
Is it different for GCP?
Not GCP, AWS, AWS. Okay.
Only AWS.
No, we will not touch anything Google Cloud. Okay. We will touch AWS only. Okay. Cool. And after the day 10 will come. We will, whatever we have learned in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 day, everything we will merge and we will create as a big project. Okay. The project will be on with the help of AI, on the Python language, on the AWS cloud with the help of DevOps tool. And we will merge everything as a day 10. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Cool.
Yeah,
Thank
sounds
you.
good.
And this will be our next 10 days syllabus. Okay. I will write this into the Excel and give it to you as well. You don't have to worry. Okay. So that whatever I'm telling, everything one by one, we will mark it as a tracker. Okay. Cool. Now, guys, after learning this, I want you to guess how much package you will pump in your current job role in 10 days only. Answer with this 10 days. Answer, please.
12.
12 to 14.
12 to 14. That's too much, yeah. If you will get 12 to 14 in 10 days, so you will learn again 10 days and you will again get 10 lakh package, right? Too much, too much. Any guess? Guys, go ahead. Some people are 15, 20. If you are really 15, 20, you will achieve. I will be very happy. Okay. Cool. Guys, answer. Guys, someone Ayush is giving 4, 5 lakh. Umar is telling 10, 15. Guys, on an average, you will able to get more than 5, 6 lakh package with the help of this learning because it has a project, it has a AI, it has a Python. Cool. Acceptable answer?
Yes, sir.
Accepted?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. And then let's come to the keyword, actual thing, Python. Can you give me the answer? Because you all are here. Tell me, what is Python?
Is a language,
It's a language.
programming language.
It's a programming language. Good.
Python is a multi-purpose, object-oriented, interpreted programming language.
Good. Sujal, I'm very happy. Cool. Umar is telling
Python
open
is a
source.
general purpose high level programming language which is simple, secure, and independent,
Superb. Good answer. I'm happy.
and a dynamically typed language.
Dynamic language. Cool. Good answers, guys. I'm very impressed with you. Python is an open source. You don't have to pay anything if you want to use the Python programming. It's very simple, high level language. Means you can very easily, you can read or write. Like English, if you know English, you can able to write the Python code. I'm 100% sure with this. Very popular language, guys. Very old language, very popular language. And this is the first choice. If you don't have any knowledge, if you want to learn the programming, you want to add programming concept in your resume, or you have any interest into the programming coding, you want to see that, yes, this will be your first choice and you will able to learn it. And in the next 5 to 10 days, you will able to do the programming as well. Okay. It's very easy to debug. If any of the problem happen, issue happen in the code, very easily we can debug it. That's why this is Python. Agree? Cool. Anyone here want to add any other point? Chinnar has given the very good answer. Chinnar, why you give it to me? Give it to everyone. Your answer is very good.
Extensive library, sir. Rich library.
Yes. It has lot of libraries. You don't have to write the code. Okay. It has ready-made libraries are there, which we have to utilize it. We can utilize the library and the code will be get created. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Good answers. I'm happy. I'm very impressed with this. Now, if I will tell you how Python works, we talk about the language, right? How Python works. Guys, you are able to understand this image. If not, I'm here. Developer will write the code. Okay, developer will write the code. It will be written with the extension py extension file. Means that will be a source code or that will be actual code. This file will be get executed or compiled with the help of Python interpreter. Python interpreter will compile this code or convert this into the binary language. What is binary language or what is this source file? Guys, can anyone give me the difference? What is source file? Where we written the Python code, it's into the English language. Agree? That is called source file. Are you agree?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Now, in this image, it is telling that if I will write one keyword import, with the help of import, the ready-made libraries will come in this place and it will create into the binary code. Guys, can anyone here give me the answer? What do you mean by binary code?
0, 1.
Huh, 0, 1, yes?
Will be 0, 1.
Yes, 0, 1. If I will write something into the 0, 1 and give it to you, you will able to understand. If I say 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, you will able to understand.
No.
No, sir.
Right? Machine will understand that. Okay. We will write into the English. This compiler will convert that into the 0, 1 so that your program will get executed or machine will understand your program. He will take as the input and he will perform the activity for you. Guys, is this image very simple? How Python works? If someone will ask you, you are able to give the answer? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Answer.
Yes,
No,
sir.
I don't like one person. I need the answer from everyone. If no, defense with me, please.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Yep. Guys, in the next couple of days, we will break everything. We will see all this thing into the practical way. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Guys, we did a research for you. Okay. Into the Google. You are also feel free to do research. Okay. Which is the most popular programming language? Can you give me the answer? Popular programming language in 2024. Which one?
Python.
Python itself.
Python. Cool. Best programming language in 2024. Who is on the top?
Again, Python.
Okay. Top 5 programming language which you have to learn in 2024. Which one? Again,
Python.
guys, if Google is telling, if a lot of companies are using it, you have to learn.
The
Yes,
same
no.
Python language only.
Obviously, yes. Okay, cool. Then if you're still in dilemma that you have to learn Python or not, guys, I'm telling, okay, if you are a support engineer, learn little bit programming or learn little bit of Python, it will help you out. Okay. If you are manual tester, if you are doing lot of manual works, if you learn the basic concept of Python, it will be help in lot of automation to you. If you are a Linux admin or any of the administrator, all the tools can be automated in some programming language. If you know the programming language Python, you can able to automate the things. Okay. If you are a network engineer, if you will define one by one thing, creation of network is very difficult. Okay. If you will write into a program and execute that program, all the network will get created. It will be life will be very easy if you know the programming. I'm not telling you have to understand the complete coding, programming, scripting, but if you have a basic knowledge, it will be very, very helpful. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? If let's assume you are a fresher, you don't know anything, you will work for support profile or non-technical profile with 5 lakh package, 5 years, 10 years, that's not at all good. Add the programming knowledge in your resume. You will utilize or not utilize, doesn't matter, but it will be very, very helpful for you. Are you agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Thank you. Then let's come to the Python. Okay. There are so many reasons to learn Python. It will give a high salary with the DevOps job role. Python is very simple, very easy to learn. Anyone can learn and develop the programs in this. I will prove this. Okay. Easy to read. Guys, if I will give the code of Python without knowing anything, you will able to read and you will able to understand. I will ask the question with you in the next 10 minutes, you will able to give the answer. Okay. Python can be used as a scripting as well as automation language. That's why DevOps engineer like this. It's a very highly scalable, very powerful, multiple languages or multiple companies are using it like Google, Netflix, and most popular every company is using for the automation purpose. It is open source, freely available into the market, very big community, and that's why everyone or all the people love it. If you face any of the problem, post the question into the Python community, you will get the answer very easily. It can be used into the web application and internet development if possible. Python supports all the automations and lot of manual testings also you can achieve with the help of Python. In my real-time life also, some database activities we did automate with the help of Python. Which database activities? Taking backups, moving snapshots, taking time-based databases, moving the database from one location to another. In my company, this all was the manual task. My team has achieved lot of automations on the database with the very simple customized UI, and we have did lot of automation in the Python language. These are the reasons. That's why you have to learn Python. There are so many other reasons also. If you want to make your career in the data science, if you want to make your career into big data, if you want to make your careers into the computer graphics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, DevOps, you have to learn the Python. If you know the basics, then only you can able to go into these profiles. Otherwise, no. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Everyone? Everyone.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Yep. Now I would like to go into the history of Python. And from here, I would like this thing to hand over to the Shayak, because Shayak is a pure Python developer. Okay. You will learn this 1 week, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with Shayak. And again, I will come back because I'm a DevOps engineer, I'm a cloud engineer. I will teach you all this thing again on the day 8, day 9, and day 10. Is that fine? Means programming related thing, Shayak will take care, because Shayak is a pure developer person. Okay. He will teach you the development activities, and I will take all your knowledge, everything will combine with AI, and we will utilize into the DevOps or with the help and into the DevOps profile, into the AWS profile. So straightforward, guys. 1 week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be taken care by Shayak. And after that, day 8, day 9, and day 10, we both will take. Okay, 8, 9, I will take care 100%. And day 10, again, we both will take care, and we will develop a project in front of you. Fine. Agenda is very clear.
Yes.
Okay. I'm ready to give or hand over to the Shayak. Shayak, welcome to you, and you can take care from now.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Vikas sir, for setting the ground. Guys, how was it so far? I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it and you're all excited enough to delve into the wonderful world of Python. So let me start sharing my screen. And please let me know if you're able to see it.
Yep, Shayak, we are able to see your screen.
Great. So we are going to now learn Python, right? Let's stay focused that our goal is to learn Python with the help of artificial intelligence. So guys, very quickly before we start Python, we have already discussed what is Python. Can someone please quickly tell me what is artificial intelligence? Guys, anyone?
Guys, answer, please, everyone.
Like the model which thinks like a human, sir.
Okay. So you are saying there is a model, right? Let's not think about model in a general way. Something that humans can think of, even that thing is able to think, right? That is something artificially done, correct? Can we have some better answers a little bit? Jitesh, you are working into R, right?
Yeah.
Jitesh, please give me this answer.
Like it's like a learning model which we developed using statistics and all to
Okay. That is kind of a sophisticated answer, but in layman terms, what can we say?
Think like human.
Yes, that is correct, Srisha. So think like human, but it's not human, right? So all the cognitive capabilities that human brain has, something else that is non-human can also perform the same things, right? That is artificial intelligence, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can someone tell me what are the applications that you see in your day-to-day life with the help of artificial intelligence?
Alexa, Google Assistants.
Right. These are
I
very
think
common.
we've got you confused with someone else.
Okay, guys. So I have Alexa device. So someone said Alexa. Did you see the practical working? Did you hear anyone?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So you heard it. Okay, that's great. So we are using artificial intelligence, right? So there. So let's come to Python, guys. You all are able to see my screen. I will zoom in as required. I'm not going into the slideshow mode because I might need to write something. If I have to write, I'll come back to this mode. As of now, I'm here. Okay. So guys, one very basic question that I want to ask you. So we all know that whoever is doing development, we are choosing Java, right, as the backend language. So Java is very famous, or rather, it was very famous. Why suddenly there is a boom in Python? Why everyone is using the buzzword? Okay, Python. Okay, all these other things. Can someone tell me? So Python is a modern language, right? It came after Java, right? Yes
No,
or no?
sir. First Python. First Python, sir. Then Java.
Okay. What about others?
Same Python only.
Right. That's the correct answer. Python is older than Java, guys. So there is a misnomer in the market where people think that Python is a new sort of language. Okay. But those who have an interest in development, in coding, in different sorts of programming languages, they will know the fact that Java is newer than Python. Right? Guys, please remember this thing. Okay. So whoever answered, I want some different people to answer. So why Python became popular? Python is older than Java, but earlier, if we see 10 years back, everyone was telling Java, J2E, right? Struts, framework, Hibernate, microservices, right?
Yes.
Spring Boot. But suddenly people are talking about these things like Python and other things. Why?
Easy
Because
to
it is easy
debug.
for humans to understand. It has a various collection of libraries which can work with any sort of platforms like artificial intelligence and something we are doing in day-to-day lives.
Right. Any other answer? Quick answer. That is a good answer. I'm
At the
happy.
same time, we have to debug easily than a Java.
Simplicity of programming structures. Sir.
Correct.
The program structure also very less content we have to
Easy
find
to
out in
understand
Python.
everyone.
Right. So regarding the debugging part, let's keep that aside. Okay. So, but other things, I'm absolutely okay. Like it's simple, it's easy to read and write. Right. Someone said lot of libraries. That is also correct. What are the other things? Think from application perspective, guys. One of you gave the answer already, but I want some other people also to think. Put on your thinking hats. All of these answers you can combine. Okay. So let me give the answer, right? So what happened is recently people started thinking about the future also, right? People have been thinking, but now what happened? People are now setting up their businesses, right? Everything has become a business right now, whatever we do, right? So suppose I have 5 stores today, right? I'm staying in, for example, say I stay in Madhya Pradesh. I have my 5 stores. They are doing very well, extremely well. So I want to expand my business, right? So I want my stores also to be set up in different parts of India. So on what criteria will I understand that, okay, I can set up? So I need to do some analysis on the data that is available, correct? So data analysis is being
Yes,
done.
sir.
So when is this data analysis being done? On what basis? Is it done on basis of past, present, future? Can you please tell me?
Past, sir.
Past,
Past.
okay. Okay. Any other answers? Can we say past and present?
Yes, sir.
Can we
Past,
say
present
future?
also.
Can we say future?
We can predict the future, sir, based on past, present.
But for the analytics part, can we say future?
We can.
Yeah.
Okay. See, when we are doing the data analytics part, guys, try to understand this thing. We are just considering the data that is already available. Future data is not available with us, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So data analytics, whenever we are performing, I have to open my new stores. I'll see what data I already have, how my business is doing, correct? What are the impacts to my business? What revenue my business is generating for me? So in other words, how much money I'm getting, what are my capital expenses, what are my operational expenses, right? So on the basis of this, I'm collecting some data I'm collecting customer information, who is buying what, which group of people are buying which of the things, right? Now, people who are already saying future, they're correct in some way. Now, basis on this, I have to open my shop, right? Tomorrow is the future date, or maybe after 1 month. So what am I basically trying to do here? I'm trying to do a prediction of the future. In our educational term, or in our computational term, or in our job-based terms, you can say predictive analysis, correct? So we are trying to predict the future, what will happen based on the data that is available today. So do you think computer programmers are going to do this? No. Nowadays, people who are programmers are getting these jobs, right? But who are the people who are doing? Scientists, researchers, right? People with business acumen who want to know the future. So they are a totally different breed from computer programmers. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So they are making use of the statistics that is available, and they're doing this. Python has nothing to do in this. Try to understand this. This is simple statistics. It existed since time immemorial. Those who wanted to predict the future and all. So on the basis of some statistics, right? Some population, some collection of data, they used to get all those values from a population. They used to take a sample, right? All these things we'll discuss later gradually over the week. But they used to collect the data and do it. There is no Python, right? 50 years back, people were also predicting the future. There was no Python. Recently, the question was why Python came recently. Now see, everything is getting done with the help of machines, correct? Everything has to be done faster. Everything has to be computed. So people are relying heavily on tools. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So because of this dependency on tools, people have to choose something that is very convenient for them. People who are working in labs, right? We also see in foreign movies, right? People are doing something, they show some other things, right? Something is being hacked, they are showing some C program, right? Do you all agree with me? So
Yeah.
some tools. So scientists are also using tools. Earlier, like if we talk about big scientists like Newton, right? Rutherford, all these people, they use pen and paper and blackboard to do their calculations, right? They did not have the facilities of computers and all to make their jobs easier. But today, scientists are having that. Today, business people are having that, correct? So they need some medium. So they have chosen some particular set of frameworks, some languages that will help them. So some people are using R. So Jitesh will know what R is. For others, those who don't know, it's kind of a language that heavily makes use of statistics, right? Then what happened? Then they found that there is a language called Python, which is easy. Anyone can do. I prefer to say even a kid can do Python, correct? So it is easier for the scientists. They have to think of complex formulas and everything else. They are not here to write some loops and all that, right? They want something simple. They will give some input, there will be some function, they will get some output, right? Say they want average of 100 numbers. They won't use calculator to type, right? They will use something that is already available. They will put the values, they will get the average. They need the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, anything. They will get that. So all these things got offered by some standard things that are available in particular languages like Python, R, all these things. So these became the languages of choice. And hence, because people started looking at future more, this language came into the picture. Guys, are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
Was I able to set the, introduction right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
So, guys, every language has a father, right? Correct? Those who are from Java, they know that James Gosling is the father of Java. Dennis Ritchie, Ken Thompson, these people worked on C, Unix, all these things, right? So we all know this. Dog cutting is the kind of founder of Hadoop environment, big data. So Python has one of my favorite persons. His name is Guido van Rossum. So that guy, you know what he was doing? He was doing some kind of research work. Okay. And it was one of his holiday week. Okay. So he wanted to do some development on the language that he was doing. He was working on ABC language. Okay. Guys, I'll just tell you a brief history about this. Earlier, there was a language called B language. Dennis Ritchie started working on that. He made the C language, okay? Made some modifications. From there, Dennis Ritchie, Ken Thompson, and other research associates at AT&T Bell Laboratories, they all came together, and then they decided that we will do some improvements, this, that. Okay. So like this, Unix was also born, right? From Unix, Linux was born. All these things came into the picture. Similarly, our hero Guido van Rossum, who is the father of Python, so he also was trying to do some development. Okay, we will see that. So he was doing research in the late 80s, and he developed this language called Python as a hobby language, guys. There was no intention that he has to do some big development, something. He wanted something that was fun to play with, something that was easy, something that people would love, he himself would love. So that's how Python was born. The implementation of Python started during the late 80s, guys. Please remember. And Java also became, but little bit late. Okay. So Java was released around 96. Even though Java got started around 1991, Python started even before, during the 80s. So please remember this thing. All right. So if I come to my previous slide, so guys, can you see this timeline? All of you? Yes, no? So around 1980, Python was conceived. That is, there was a brainchild for this founder, Guido van Rossum. He started doing the implementations of Python, but all these things, you know, what was happening? These were having some different older versions. Okay. Like when he was developing, there was some Python 0.8, then 0.9, all these versions, 0.1. Okay. All these from here he started doing. Please remember this landmark year, guys, landmark year and date, February 20th, 1991. Python was officially released for the public by Guido van Rossum. Okay. Guys, yes or no? So on this day, Python was officially released. Okay. So it was released kind of, it was probably some 0.9 version to 1 version, something in between that, but it was officially released so people could use Python. 1994, so Python 1.0 was then released as a final stable version. After that, there were several kinds of, like improvements, some different kinds of adding of libraries and all to make it better. So all these things were done, and eventually in 2000, Guido van Rossum and Python Foundation, they released this 2.0. Okay. From 2000 until 2008, things were running fine with versions, different versions. So here we all have all the versions of 2.x, 2.0, 2.1, 2.3, right? Like that. In the year 2008, please remember Python 3 was released. Okay. This is very important. And we are all going to work on Python 3. The whole world is now working on Python 3x. Some are using Python 3.7, 3.8, 3.11, 3.12, which is the latest. Okay. Guys, with me? So versioning is clear. So Python releases various versions depending on what additions they want to do. So based on that, they get that. In the year 2015, okay, so it was declared that 2.7 Python would come, 2.7 was going on at that time. So they declared that this will come to an end. And when did it come to an end? In January 2020, it's officially kind of declared that Python 2.0 will no longer be officially supported. So from this 3 onwards, okay, there is a continuous growth of Python 3.0 or 3.x. So from 3.0 currently up to 3.12 point something, we have like 1.4 or something. 3.12, if you remember, this is the latest version. This is sort of how Python is evolving. Let's now quickly come. So we have already discussed that this is the famous person, guys, Guido van Rossum. So someone whom I really look up to. So he's from Netherlands, right? So this CWI is the kind of university where he was working. It's a university funded by the Netherlands government, right? So he was working on Amoeba OS, as you can see here, we have mentioned. So he was trying to develop that as a hobby project, and he was planning to improve the ABC language. So guys, we all know that Python has this logo of snakes, right? 2 snakes intertwined with each other. This is the logo that was put into place from 2006 onwards. But before that, what many people don't know of, this was the logo from 1997 to 2006. Okay? Interesting facts and trivia for you guys. Next thing, as most of you said that Python is very easy, very popular because of its vastness of applications, because of the plethora of places where Python can be used, right? In development, in testing, in support work, in cloud, in DevOps, in different other kinds of automation, in data science, in machine learning, you name it, Python will say, hey, I'm there. Correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we look at this slide, we'll see all these things that we have already discussed in quantum computing, robotics, some artificial intelligence, right? Even there is some integration into RPA also, robotic process automation. Python is there, web development, computer vision in machine learning and all. You'll see here, OpenCV, right? All these libraries. Then in web development, we have Django, Flask, CherryPy. All these are very common. Some others are also there. Machine learning, so many things are there, right? Like if you're working with data frames, pandas is there. You're working on some arrays, multidimensional arrays, calculations, NumPy, TensorFlow, Keras, all these things you're using for building models, right? You're doing some visualizations with the help of Matplotlib, Seaborn, right? Correct, guys? So many things. You might have heard all these things in buzzwords, or if you're looking into some job descriptions, you are seeing this. Okay. Now comes the interesting part, which Vikas sir will be demonstrating to you. So Python also has some integration for DevOps, right? So there is a library called Boto3, which is available, which will help us, like with the help of Boto3 and Python, we'll be able to do certain tasks on AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, available from Amazon, right? You all know what AWS is. Is anything so far that you have not understood, or anything that seems like rocket science? Yes, no, quickly, guys.
Guys, your answers are really important. Please speak up, because you will not get this type of platform anywhere. Please,
Understood.
please. All
Yeah,
good?
understood.
Cool.
Understood.
And if someone
It's
is
clear
telling
and
that,
understandable.
cool. If someone is telling you don't know AWS, no worries. We haven't teach it. Okay. So we will teach. Okay.
Right.
Good. Yep.
Good. So I will take one quick question from Baswaraj. So he's asking, can we not perform all this using Java? Yes, we can perform, but not all of these, because Java is not having such strong libraries and frameworks. Java has also a vast collection of libraries. Totally agree. But if you compare with Python, see, a normal scientist will not go and learn Java, right? So Baswaraj, you said you are from Java background, having 9 years, correct? Yes.
Yes.
So Baswaraj, I want you to print your name using Java in single line. Will you be able to do?
No, single line it's not possible.
But will it be possible in Python?
No, I'm not sure on that. I am new.
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. That will help you answer. So I will give you the answer here. Java being slightly complicated, right? From a layman's perspective, the scientist will not go and learn Java. So when you go and teach that, okay, public static void main string array arguments, what will the scientist say? Hey, I don't need all these things. What is public? What is access specifier? I just need something. I'm giving some input, I want output. Will your Java be able to do or not? You have to say no. You have to say no. Java is having a functional approach, right? We have to write some class. It will have to follow that object-oriented methodology. Okay. So what that scientist will say, then I'm not interested. I'm trying to go to something easier. That scientist will go to C language, someone who is selling C language, right? So that scientist will again ask, what is this main? Because C language will start from main, right? Program execution. So there also the scientist will ask a lot of questions. But we'll see in Python why the scientist will go and say that, okay, I'm feeling comfortable and relaxed and at home. This can be my second nature. I can learn it in 7 days, right? We can perform multiple things. Java is also very powerful, very powerful in certain ways, correct? But flexibility, answer is flexibility. Because of flexibility, we are using this. Hope I have answered it as of now. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, let's quickly try to understand how this hello world, if we have to write some hello world program in different languages, how does it look? And we will compare it. We'll put all these different statements with that of Python. We'll compare, okay? So guys, I'm just minimizing my sharing mode. So slideshow, I'm coming out and I'm just showing this to you so that I can use my pen. Guys, starting with Java, what is this system? What is this out? Println. Then I have to print this hello world. My target is, my requirement is this. I have to print hello world, nothing else. Okay. What Java is telling, I will allow you to write, but you have to write so many things. Correct? What Python is saying, I'll just allow you print hello world, nothing else. Correct? Simple. In C, there is some printf. So suppose this is this like English language. Do you have something like printf in English? No, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, yes.
C++ to print, you have to give the C out, right? Then sort of redirection hello world will come.
Right.
C#, you have to write system.console.writeline. JavaScript console.log. Like, I know in JavaScript you can write in kind of single line only, but what is console.log, guys? First person has to understand what is meaning of console, what is log, right? Why console.log? Like, Baswaraj, tell me, system is what? A class, correct?
Yeah, system is a class. Out is
Out
a
is the object.
yeah.
Correct?
Yes, yes.
Correct. So what the scientist has to learn? Mandatorily class and object scientist has to learn.
Yes, yes, yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Right? Java so in Python it's not there. PHP echo. Now those of you who are coming from Linux background will be able to understand. Echo is used for printing. This is also simple command. Correct? Jitesh, this is cat hello world, right? Why you are using cat, Jitesh? Very quick. In R, why are we using cat?
To print it out the log.
Sorry, come again.
To print it to the log actually.
But what is cat? If in English language, what is cat? Cat means like we have an animal called cat, right? But what is cat? How will the person understand that cat is print? How will you explain? Any answer? Anyone else apart from Jitesh?
To view the configuration files.
That is correct. That we know. That's why it is using cat hello world. But some sort, those who are coming from Linux background again or some other background where cat is used, we know that there is something known as concatenate, right? This word has its root origin from concatenate. So that's why cat. So the scientist who does not know that has to learn this extra thing. But this print thing, you tell me, even a kid can understand, right? This is a small kid, right? Small kid will understand. Small kid, you give this C#, what that kid will do? Will either cry or will scold you. That is, don't scare me with all these big things. I'm not understanding, right? But if you give this print hello world, you will understand. He or she will understand and take some interest. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So whatever we have said, can we see this, guys, with a little bit of zoom? So this is hello world printing in C. We are, I think my screen is little bit small and also the font is getting little bit blurred, correct? But are you able to understand somewhat? Yes, no?
Yes.
So here in Python, we are including something, right? Like some header file we are including. So what is this? Preprocessor directive. Guys, anyone from C background?
Hash is preprocessor.
Correct? So you have to include stdio, means what? Standard input output. There is some header file .h. So this preprocessor, how it is loaded and all these things, we all know, right? Some compiler will be there during some stage of compilation. Some linker loader will come. Yes, no? All these things are done. So whenever you show this to the scientist or to the researcher or to the analyst who is totally new for any programming language but needs to have one programming language to do his or her task, that person will prefer not to choose void. Why this is void? You have to explain. There is no return type in this function. Nothing is being written, so it is void. Correct? Those who understand C, it is for them. Those who don't understand, nothing to worry. The main purpose is to show you that all these things are not needed in Python. Guys, can we come to C++ and also try to see? Similarly, there is something, right? Has includes some header, void main, then the C out, then hello world, right? Come down. In Java, so, right? That's why you will now understand, correct? See, so many lines we have to write, correct?
Yes.
3 lines and then brackets and all that we have to write. So total 5 lines. Even if before that, Baswa, we have to sometimes write like import java.io.star, import java.util.star, right? Import java.math.star, correct?
Yes, yes.
So one extra line that is not there. So don't think it is small, it is still there. Come to our hero Python. What is written here? Print hello world and it will print. Simple one line, correct? Some function is there called print. Inside that you are passing some argument in the form of some string. Don't think so complicated way. Print whatever you want to print, put it, it will get printed, right? Can we come to this slide, guys? Guys, see this example. Java Python public class main, public static void main, int a equal to b equal to 20, int result equal to a plus b. What is my target? My target is I have to take one. I'm sorry, I have to come out of this. What is my target, guys? I have to take some variable a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Simply, I need to print the value of a plus b. Guys, Jitesh, in R, how many lines of code we have to write? Few lines only, right?
Yeah.
Do we have to write so many lines of code like Java?
No.
Similarly, in Python also, see how many lines we need to write. A equal to 20, b equal to 20, print a plus b. 3 lines. Guys, can we see this real quick in our system? Yes, no, guys, excited? First program, guys. I want some guesses.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, a equal to 10, right? B equal to 20. See, I'm working on Jupyter Notebook. We will be walking you through this, how to set up and all this, okay? So as of now, I'm just giving a demo. What I'm doing, print, simple guys, simple, a plus b. Am I getting the result in 3 lines?
Yes, sir.
Instead of writing 5-7 lines of code. Now some person is still not happy, telling that no, I don't want to write 3 lines also. I want smaller code. Okay, fine. Please take this small code.
Now, is a requirement required for a string?
I'm sorry. What is the requirement for string?
In print string.
Yes. So whatever you want to print, right? You have to give some input for that, correct? You want something to be printed, right? See, computer is smart, but not smarter than human beings. Am I right, guys? You agree? So you have to give something to print. If you simply write print, nothing will happen. You have to give something to print function. Let's write our first hello world program, guys. Just like I'm writing hello world. Am I getting the output?
Yeah.
So here, if I just change my program, what do I need to write? Addition result is. Guys, this is my string. I'm passing this value of a plus b. I'm getting here the output addition of result, or addition result is 30. So this part computation is being done. Yes or no, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So far clear? Now someone said Python is easy and simple, just like English language. So is it not like English language?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just like
Okay. Let me take this same example. Okay. Like I'm writing, I know that A is 10 and B is 20 over here, correct? I have taken these values. Okay. Let me again take it. If I don't take it also, it's fine. But let me take it again. So I want the value of C. But C value will depend on one condition. I'm putting C equal to 40 if A is greater than B. Is it clear? I'm talking in English only, right? I'll tell C is 40 if A is greater than B. We all know this is greater than symbol, right? Okay. Now I'm also putting that if A is less than B, then what? Then I'll put an else condition. Else C equal to 30. Okay. Now I'm coming here, I'm printing the value of C. Guys, what will be the value of C?
30.
So guys, is it clear? Simple English language. Python easy to read, easy to write. Same thing. If you can you do this if else in one line in Java, Baswa?
no, sir.
No.
So in Java you have to give some braces and all. You have to give here also. You have to give. You can give it here also. But Java will be something like this, right? Complicated. If this, then print system.out.println or s out, then you'll press tab. I understand, but you have to write some amount of effort you have to put, correct? So anyone will choose this kind of easy language. So have you seen, have you understood like what happened so far? Easy? Anything
Yes.
difficult? Even if you bring a kid, that kid will also say easy, right? So guys, this is our slides where we do the installation, but that is not the agenda for today. Okay. So we will get all this setup done for you. Okay. In our upcoming classes, right?
Shaik, we will do tomorrow. Okay. We will
We'll
set
do
up
it
the,
tomorrow.
guys, if today some people are not with the laptop, please tomorrow log in with the laptop. At least your development environment will be get set up. Okay.
But is that for Windows? So do we have
Doesn't
one pair
matter.
for Unix?
You can do it in the Linux also.
Yes.
Very
I
same.
have the point. See, when you'll go through the slide, so Linux and Mac users need to install a different Python executable, which you will get the option here. Once you go to downloads, right? Can you see here? I've given the screenshot for Windows. Those who have Windows will click on this link. Those who have Mac will click on this. Those who are using some version of Linux, correct? Everything is there, guys. We have kept everything.
Okay.
So don't worry. And even if you get stuck anywhere, we are there. One humble request. I know after this, some of you will be really excited, and of course, you should be. So you will try to install Python, right, on your own, correct? I will recommend you should not do, but in case I cannot stop anyone, right? So if anyone wants to do while you are installing, when the installer comes up, guys, please note this. Let me go to this. So look at the right hand corner of my screen. Can you see this setup, installer setup? This wizard comes up. This will not be checked by default. Add python.exe to path, correct? We have our all environment variables and all and the paths for the same, right? This will not be ticked, guys. So you have to put a tick mark. I am reiterating, you have to put this tick mark. All of you, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This will not be checked. When you click on download, download will be done, right? Your executable will be there. You double click on it and start installing, and happily you will go on doing next. Yes, be happy, but be cautious that you have to put the check mark here, guys. That is my only request. If you set up Python also, right? Okay. Please assure me that if you are doing, you will do this. I'll recommend not to do. We'll do it tomorrow together, everyone. We are a team now. Okay.
Okay.
And this is an extra slide. In case you forget to put that tick mark, there is a workaround. You have to manually go to your Windows system settings, go to advanced settings, then go to this settings. There will be environment variables here, right? So this below one, you will see path. You have to edit and you have to click on edit and add the path wherever your Python is installed. But guys, don't follow these complex things. See, if we want to follow complex things, guys, we can learn some complex programming language and we can learn some complex things. We are learning easier things like Python, DevOps, AWS, right? Where we can do a lot of things easily. So don't try not to follow this slide. I hope you don't need. Next is we'll also be trying to install Visual Studio Code. This is kind of, a place where you can run all sorts of programming languages. You will have plugins over there. So those who are into coding and all might have used this Visual Studio, right? So we will also see how to do this. Again, if you have some question, I am using a MacBook. So MacBook, this option will be there. Windows, this option will be there. Most of you will be using 64-bit system, correct? So use that. Again, some of you will say, no, I'm not using Mac. I'm not using Windows OS. I'm using Linux because Linux is my favorite operating system. Some of you will tell, right? So for them, there is this like different versions of Rail, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, SUSE, Fedora. Like over here, we'll have Ubuntu, Debian, okay, all these things. So just be aware of this. Now we will also be seeing how to install Jupyter Notebook when we will do it tomorrow. Okay, it is recommended to use Jupyter Notebook because we will be doing some small code snippets and all. Correct. So we'll do this together. Now, guys, quickly tell me one thing. What's the differences between programming languages, scripting languages, and markup languages? I'm expecting this answer, guys, from one of you. We have 28 people. I want at least 2-3 answers, guys. Quickly, guys. Very fast.
Like I can say, Sayak, Java is a programming language. JavaScript is a scripting language, and HTML is your markup language.
That is correct, but that is correct. That is, I would say, correct answer of another question. You know, I had a chemistry teacher. Whenever we used to give wrong answer, that person used to tell, it is correct answer, but of another question. So if I ask you what are the different examples of these different categories, that is correct. But when I'm asking what is the difference, you have to give me differences, right? You gave me examples. Fine, it's not wrong. But can you please tell me the difference? Why Java is not a scripting language? Why can't we say? Yes, no? Anyone else? Jitesh, you are also there. Please answer.
Scripting, it's mainly to automate some process, some day-to-day activities. It's not like building an application like that. So just like it is like connecting so many applications to run and achieve a single goal or output.
Good, acceptable. Any other points? Good. Any other things? Others, please try to understand what Jitesh is saying. Jitesh is
programming language is nothing like creating some softwares, like any kind of software it is able to achieve. So that is the main thing of programming language. And scripting language, as said by Hitesh, it is able to do some automate the process which we are doing already. That is the difference of scripting as well as programming. And markup is just like the base to do some web-based things. That is the difference between all these things. I think so.
okay. Fine. So markup language means there will be some tags, right? HTML, hypertext markup language, right? We are all using HTML, all these things, correct? Some tags and values will be there, right? In scripting language, what we are doing, we are running some commands, but we are running a sequence of commands bunched together. I have 1, 2, 3 commands. I want them all to run together. I have two options, guys. I can run all the 3 commands. I have to enter the command, enter the command 3 times. I have to hit enter, or I can write them together, put them in a file, and execute that file. Can I say that if I do that, that becomes a script? Even with 2 commands, I can have a script. Even with 1 single command, also I can have a script, guys. Yes or no? Guys, quickly.
Yes.
But what is the main difference, guys? Baswaraj, Java is compiled or interpreted?
Compiled.
Compiled language, correct?
Yes, yes. It means like it will be convert your .java file to .class file. That is a bytecode.
Right. Source file .java to bytecode file .class. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, correct.
Correct. Who is doing this conversion?
JVM.
No, who is doing from class to .java?
No, it is from .java to .class, right?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I mean from .java to .class. Who is doing that?
So that is doing by your JVM.
Are you sure? Anyone else?
No, your interpreter. Sorry.
Yes, interpreter is doing what? JVM is having that interpreter, right?
Yes, yes.
Inside, whenever you are downloading Java, what are you doing? You are downloading JDK, Java Development Kit. Within Java Development Kit, there is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment is giving you some virtual machine that is physically not existing. That is called JVM, Java Virtual Machine, correct?
Yes,
that is giving you that interpreter facility, that whatever is your bytecode, now you can take that bytecode, and there are operating system and processor dependencies. You can run on Linux, Windows, correct? You can run on Mac OS, everything. So platform independence, right?
Yes, yes.
But from .java to .class, who is doing that? JVM is coming after your bytecode, right? From bytecode to your machine level code, 0, 1, everything executable, correct? Up to your output, there JVM is coming and playing the role. But before bytecode, is JVM coming? Who is working on that?
Interpreter.
No, see, interpreter is coming at the JVM level, right? So is there no compilation in Java? Whenever you are writing a Java program, forget about ID, forget about IntelliJ Eclipse. You are writing a simple Java in some notepad and you are going to run it. Are you not using Java C space, that Java file that you wrote? What is Java C?
Java compiler.
The compiler is coming, right? The compiler is working on the, so answer is compiler.
Yes,
so guys, simple thing, your first answer should be in programming language, there is a compilation, there is a compiler. Scripting language does not need compilation. Simple interpreter can come and run, because interpreter will read line by line all these codes, correct? Interpreter will go line by line. Yes. If any error is kind of confronted, then it will show the error, right? It will not go further. Correct me, Baswaraj? Or
Yes.
anyone else? So did you guys get the main answer? Compilation should be there in programming languages mostly. Scripting language, it will not be there. Other answers you all have given very fantastic ways. Scripting language, very small for just automating something. Okay, you want something to run at 8 p.m. Correct? And now say it is 1 p.m. after 7 hours. You don't want to again switch on your computer and all. What you are doing? You are writing a script and you are scheduling it. You are scheduling it through some scheduling tool. Maybe you are using some tool like AutoSys, Control M, or in Unix you are using some cron tab, right? You guys know these things. You are writing a shell script or Perl script. You are just scheduling it. That is sort of automation. Programming language, you are developing something, right? With the script, can I develop any operating system? Python was developed in which language, guys? C. Based on C only, right? So if you see, the interpreter for Python is C Python. Excuse me. You cannot develop something with scripting language. You can automate some tasks. Clear? So what sort of language is Python? Python is everything. Scripting language, programming language, functional language, procedural language. So these are multiple paradigms we'll be seeing in our upcoming classes. Okay? Guys, yes, no, you're with me. Did you understand the basic difference?
Yes.
Okay. So if anyone asks these questions to freshers, I think you should all be able to answer, right? Okay. So we have already gone through this, that scripts and all may be created by DevOps. So that's why it is scripting language. So just go through this. There is nothing, as I said, error checking is done during runtime and other theoretical details are there. Guys, we are interested in theory or practical? Yes, no, quickly, guys.
Practical.
Practical. But theory is also important, correct? We are buying some product, we are getting some manual, right? That is very important, but we are not seeing that, correct? We are directly plugging in the product and checking, and then it is getting stuck. Then we are saying, oh, okay. Read the manual. That also we are giving to some other guy, like our smaller brother, younger brother, or some friend. Hey, read, know what it is saying, right? Theory is also important. Practical is more important. Okay. So guys, fun aside, let's go to the most attractive part for the day. This will be the last part of the day, guys. So please hang on for some more time, because things are already getting exciting and you are going to be charged up even more after this. Okay. But before this, guys, I want to ask one quick question. How many of you are excited about the World Cup match today? Guys, World Cup, guys, cricket, please answer this.
It is one-sided match.
Oh, okay. So
Jitesh is from UK. Jitesh, agree?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, guys, as we discussed, that why have we chosen Python and all? So it is because of this capability of Python to integrate itself or integrate others into itself, right? So if we do some further studies, Python is able to integrate multiple things. I run Python using Java, C Python, Python with Java, right? All these things. I run Python, .NET integrated with Python, all these things. So Python can take anything and everything. So Python has now become one of the world's most popular languages, the favorite language of choice for everyone when it comes to artificial intelligence, correct? Developing different models and all these things we'll discuss later. Black box, AI, all these things we'll discuss in this course, okay, in bits and pieces. But guys, tell me one thing. So have you all seen this kind of application where we are writing something, correct, and that thing is telling that in the form of audio to us? Yes, no? How many of you read audiobooks like Goodreads and all? Are you aware what audiobooks are? Guys, yes, no? Come on, guys.
Yes. Yes.
What are audiobooks? Can someone quickly tell me? Okay, let me tell you. Audiobooks are nothing. See, suppose an author has written a book. Okay, so I have this book with me here. It's a book having text, right? Guys, yes, no? Can you see? If I give this book to some person, some data entry people will also be there in the market, right? We are giving them some manuscripts, right? Take this book and make an entry, correct? They will do that entry. Yes or no?
Yes.
So there will be a digital copy of this hard print, right? Otherwise, what will happen nowadays? What authors do? They don't write in pen and paper. They are all writing in laptop. They are giving the manuscript to the publishers in that digital format only, right? So no need to do any manual data entry. Now these books, there are certain customers who don't love to read physical books, but they love to listen while they're doing some workout or they're commuting to their office or coming back from office to home, right? They want to utilize that time. They want to hear stories and all. So from that text data, I don't want to read, I want to hear. So it is possible via audiobooks. Those of you who are not aware of what audiobooks are, please Google it. You'll like it probably. Maybe you'll get addicted to a new hobby. Okay. So guys, we have come here with a practical thing. We'll see it, we'll do it. Okay. Because you all don't have this Jupyter notebook, any environment on Python. So today I will be doing it and showing it to you. Okay. So what is the objective? Objective is we'll write some text, we'll give some input in the form of text, and we'll get the output from the computer via audio. Yes?
Yeah.
Guys, is our
Yes.
agenda clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we know Python has lots of libraries, right? Someone already said. Everyone might not be aware, which is absolutely fine. So libraries are nothing but, say, it's a kind of package where someone else has written some code and we are going to use that code. So what are we doing? We are doing reuse of that code, right? By importing something. Those who are already from programming background will be able to relate. Those who are not, I'm again repeating, someone else has written some things, okay? We don't have to write all those things. We'll just import that in our program and use it. But here, everything that the AI will generate for us, correct, that we are going to use. So we will not write a single line of code. Everything will be copy paste, correct? But we should be getting the desired output. So guys, can you see there is a command written on my system, pip install pyttsx3. What is pip? Is anyone aware of what is pip? Some of you already know a little bit of Python. I'm getting that feeling. So can someone give me what is pip? Heard of it? Not heard of it? Anything? Guys, please tell me. Guys, please tell me. Where is my pen? Yeah, here. No one heard of pip? Yes, no one heard of it?
No.
It is kind of a package manager. Okay.
Package.
Correct? Any kind of package manager is called pip in Python. Python has that package manager. By default, it will get installed. Whenever you are installing Python, it will come by default. So it is a program available inside the Python software, which acts as the package manager. Okay. The full form of pip will be like preferred installer program. Okay. So this is pip. So if I come to this slide, if you see here, guys, this is the name of the library or the package. This command is telling what? Just like English language, hey, install something for me. Pip is the manager. So we are the owner. We are telling Pip, hey Pip, can you please install pyttx3 module so that I can make use of it? What is pyttx3? Python TTS is text to speech. Guys, are you able to see my writing? Yes, no, very quickly.
Yes.
Okay. So let's do this. So we have kept some ChatGPT code. Someone said a very nice thing in the chat. I read that. Prompt engineering, guys. Yes.
Yeah.
Can we go to our this thing ChatGPT and we can paste it? Correct? Can we do it? So when you copy this link and you put it here, right? This is the prompt. Write a program in Python to convert text to speech using the Python library pyttsx3. This is the prompt. Okay. So where is our chat? Guys, I'll give this to you. First, I'm giving you this thing. Next, I'm giving you the prompt. Guys, how many of you heard of buzzwords like prompt engineering and all?
Yeah.
Guys, yes, no, someone?
Yeah. I heard about it, but I don't know much.
So what is prompting, guys? Whenever you hear something, try to use your simple layman English knowledge. Okay. Prompting means what? In the examination, when we are doing some cheating, right? Some bad boys are doing, not we actually, some bad boys are doing some cheating, right? What does the invigilator tell? Hey, no prompting of answers. Prompting means you are telling something. You're whispering. Hey, can you tell me question number 5? Hey, that is prompting. Or someone is okay, option number 2. Select option 2. That is prompting. So we are prompting to ChatGPT that hey, give us this code. Correct? Yeah. So once you write this, so what ChatGPT will do, here is a Python program that uses this. It will say in a very nice thing. Then it will give the actual codes. So once these codes are given, so you see pip install pyttsx3. So ChatGPT is giving us this facility. What am I doing? I'm just copying that code. What am I doing? I'm coming to my notebook. Okay. So here I'm coming to my notebook. Okay. So let me put it as text to speech. Okay. This is my markdown. So let me put something like this. Let me put it in nice words, text to speech. So I'm coming here and I'm doing a pip install of this thing. Okay. Let me try to do. So in my Jupyter notebook, I already have this installed. Okay. Or you can say in Python, by default it comes. So it is already there. So what it is telling, requirement already satisfied. After that, it is always telling that from this location, it is already there. So no need to worry. Half of your job is done here, guys, right? Yeah. Come back to your prompt. What is it telling? Now here's the Python script. Guys, note, okay, to convert text to speech. So some script it is giving. It is, what am I doing? Am I reading this code? Okay, what is the meaning of this? What is def? What is import? No need to do. Then why have we installed ChatGPT, right? Why are we learning AI? So we have copied this. Guys, this is actually the future. Believe me or not. Now developers will be hired to create things like ChatGPT, and that also Python has module. You can tell Python to create a chatbot. It will create something like ChatGPT. So guys, anyway, we have brought the code over here, the script. Okay. So import pyttsx3. Okay. Then it is defining some function. So within this this is kind of some method, I would rather say. Function method we'll discuss. As of now, you can call method or function, it will do. So some argument is being passed here and all these things, some variable is coming, this is some attribute of this library. No need to know all these things as of now, guys. We are here for fun. We are here to make use of artificial intelligence. Guys, can we run this? Can we run this? If we run this, guys, here is something, enter the text you want to convert to speech. So that is what we have to give in the input. So we have already got some output. In the output, it is telling, hey, Sayak, hey, script writing person, can you please give the text what you want me to convert to audio? So I will write over here that cloud DevOps hub is fun and amazing. Guys, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, guys, I'm giving this. Can you see? I am going to increase the volume of my system. Guys, all of you are with your ears open, right? Should I hit enter? Give me the go ahead, guys. I'll hit enter.
Yes, please.
Cloud DevOps Hub is fun and amazing.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Let me run it once again, guys. One of you, please tell me something. India will win the match today. Can I put? If there are any South Africa fans, please don't mind. Even I love South Africa a lot. Writing this.
India will win the match today.
So, guys, how amazing is this according to you? So many lines of code are there. You are thinking, but see, all of these things are like comments only, mostly. Okay, so don't think that lot of things are there and all these things are like simple things to set property, get property, all these things. So it's not complex. Even if you try to understand, it's fine. But our purpose is not that. We are not going to be a developer who will come out with all these conversion engines, right? We are here just for fun, just for learning, just to make use of AI. So guys, did you see how many clicks did I have to do? I just had to go to ChatGPT and type something, that write a program to give me this code. Correct? Yes, no? Guys, can I try something in front of you live? Okay. Let me try something. Guys, I'll try to print the flag of India. Are you all with me? Write a program in, this is my prompt, guys. Okay. In Python using matplotlib to print the flag of India. Are you seeing how it is getting generated, guys? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, just hold on. Okay, this will be the last thing. So I understand. So please bear and stay tuned till the last. So it has done finishing. Okay, so it is telling make sure you have matplotlib installed. If not, you can install it. Let me copy this code. So pip install, we did pyttsx3, right? That is text to speech. This is matplotlib. This is for plotting something. Okay, plotting library. So here I will come. This is my cell. These are basically my cells, guys. Okay, I'm giving some gaps. So in this cells, we can type our codes as we are doing, right? I'm just trying to install. Let me see what output I'll get. Again, requirement already satisfied. Okay, so it is done. So what I'm doing, I'm just going and copying the code now. Let me copy this code simple. Okay, guys, you have seen me copy the code. Now I'll come back to this tab. I'll type the code here, paste the code here. Sorry, not type, guys. We are against typing. We are running this. Okay, so what is it giving? Some error it is throwing, but that's fine. This program is a little bit wrong. But guys, are you seeing that it is trying to do something? Okay. So if I take this, NP is not defined here. Okay. So I will put this. I will not do anything manually. So I will go back to my ChatGPT and I will say getting this error. Let me see if it is able to correct.
Guys, you are able to understand ChatGPT can do our work, but human being is required. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? ChatGPT cannot remove or cannot replace the engineer. ChatGPT can help us. ChatGPT can return 90% of our code, but still 10% has to be done by the human being. Agree? Live example?
Right? So guys, what it is telling, see, we'll try to understand. See, simple thing. Here this NP is nothing but our NumPy library, right? So when it gave this code, it did not give me the import NumPy, correct? That's why it failed. I could have done it by reading the message, but what I preferred to do, I came here. See, ChatGPT is telling. Now, those who don't know, the error occurs because the NumPy module, often abbreviated as NP, is not imported. You need to import it at the beginning of your script. Here's the correct code. So only this part of my code is missing. So can I come here? Again, I have copied that line. Okay. So here I will go. On purpose, I am doing it just below this line. So I am doing this. Import numpy as np. Can I run it? Guys, can I run it? Can I run this? Okay. Now can I try to run it and see what happens? Again, there is some mistake. So guys, can you see? But now the flag has come. Some mistake. Why it is appearing like that? Because whoever gave the logic, they have misplaced this white and how to put this thing. So what I will do, I can go back here and I can say above program is not giving right output.
Guys, now this is your AI skills will come into the picture.
Okay, now it is giving another code. So can we try? But at least guys, something is happening at the output level, right? And how we are trying to debug. If you give it to someone who does not know ChatGPT, that person will tell, how will I do? It is not coming, right? I don't know. But it is giving some data. Let's copy this new code and see. I've copied this. Let me come back, right? Let me put some spaces. Let me see if this works. Guys, are we all happy? We are Indian fans today, right? Because of the World Cup. So we need the correct flag. So guys, did you see how it can be done easily? So many lines of codes are there if you see here, but nothing we have written. Correct? So guys, that's all from my side. I will hand it over to Vikas sir and we can both take questions from you. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Guys, you understood that AI cannot do everything for us. Are you agree? Yes or no? We have to get the work done with the help of AI. Make sense?
Yeah.
Everyone? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
See, we can utilize the AI knowledge, but we need human being also. If it's get failed, we have to get it fixed and we have to verify by the human. So that skills you have to develop. And I'm not telling you have to not learn the coding. You have to very minimum basic logics of coding. If you will learn it, you can able to solve it very easily. Agree with my point? Yes or no? See here in this Shack screen, if you will see that none of the code, he don't have written any code, but with the help of his skills, AI skill, he can develop the anything. Are you agree? Yes, no. Do you want to learn all these things? Answer will be yes or no, straightforward.
Yes.
Yes or no? If yes, you are welcome for the tomorrow sessions as well. Okay. Link is all. I will share the link into the WhatsApp group and you can all can come in the tomorrow session as well. We will go beyond that, but small request, you have to come with your laptop, please, so that you can also do all this activity parallelly with us. Fine?
Sure, sure.
And guys, how was the today's session? I would like to listen from you guys. Able to understand?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not telling you you will able to understand our code. Code is not our work. Okay. The whatever we would like to deliver the things you are able to understand. Yes, no. Everyone?
Yes.
Everyone? Cool. Guys, is that possible that you have attended our today's workshop? Can you write 1 or 2 lines in our community that you have attended a workshop, you are able to understand how it was? Is that possible from your side?
Yes. Yeah.
Please. Okay. Shak, I'm taking the screen. I'm hijacking your screen. Okay. And I'm inviting you all again to our Facebook group. Okay. Because you are a part of the community. So I want you to join this community and please write something for us. Okay. And this is our community. We are the admin for this. See, if you will write anything, immediately it will come here. I will approve your request. Okay. Please. And from now onwards, guys, whatever the question you have, any technical, non-technical, you are looking for a job, you are facing any problem, you can ask the question into this community, please. Fine. We all are aligned, everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone. Everyone. Can I
Yes.
get at least 1 or 2 comments from you guys here? Please, please. And I'm telling our Instagram also, Cloud DevOps of Instagram. I'm inviting you to our Instagram channel as well, so that you will see what if we will publish anything new thing, you will able to see that details. Okay. I'm just inviting you all. Okay. And I'm just telling you to come into this is you are attending this workshop, 2 days free bootcamp. I'm telling you all, please at least like or write one line comment for us, because we don't have any comment. Okay. You are the first who are listening us, okay, into the Python. So I'm expecting some comment from you guys. Is that possible from your side? Yes, no. Yes, no, please.
I have something to add. Please don't use ChatGPT to generate the comment and put it here. Please give a human generated comment.
Yes, otherwise we can generate with the help of AI hundreds of comments. We don't want, okay, we want human being with us. Okay, please. Okay, guys, only small expectation, and that's it for today. And you all are welcome for the tomorrow session with your laptop, with switching on the camera, and it will be more fun beyond that. Fine?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And that's it for today. Thank you.
So just want to add one thing, everyone, thank you for this thing. So tomorrow we will see something more, and some more exciting things are there in the pipeline.
Yeah.
And once we go into the journey full, we will start from the scratch. Okay.
Yes.
So you learn everything. We will both be there. Will not leave your hands, guys. Okay. So those of you who will trust us, we will ensure that the trust is maintained. Okay.
We will already created a trust of 58,000 members.
Yes.
Okay. You don't have to worry. Okay. And we are not asking anything right now with you. Correct? Yep. Cool. And thanks for the day. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Stay active into the group. Okay. And tomorrow we will add you into the WhatsApp group as well. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.